Chef Buck here. Today I'm going to, not really a review, it's a milk frother, and I've been using it a lot in the 2 months that we've been here. It's got the base that plugs in, and it's got this little milk frothing part right here. It's got a lid on top, and this here is an extra little frothing doohickey. So this is a spare. The one that goes in the machine is right here, and I guess if I lose this or it messes up or whatever, then I could just replace it with that one. And this just comes in and out for easy cleaning. And there's a little doohickey down there that's going to rotate it, and it just slides on top of it. And inside there's some markings for maximum and minimum fill when you put your milk in there. And I do like to put milk in here. I don't like half and half in this milk frother. I just like plain old milk. And you cycle through the different levels of frothing with the power button right here. That's the big froth, the smaller froth, and that is just heating up the milk. And you just push the power button all the way through, and this is just going to froth the milk without heating it. See, I got that turned on, so this is rotating in here right now. And I'll turn this off, and I'm going to froth me up a little bit of milk right here. I'm just going to put it to the minimum fill, because I don't need a lot. If it was both me and Camera Girl, I'd fill it up to the max line right there. Now, I've been using this for a couple months now, and I have yet to put this lid on it. I have not needed it. It doesn't make a mess, so I don't even know what that's for. I guess maybe if you filled it to a crazy amount and turned it on, but I have never filled it past the maximum fill line. And I usually just froth it or warm the milk up. And I like it on the smaller froth. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on the bigger froth, just so you can see how much it will froth it up. And that starts up, and it'll go probably, well, I don't know how long it'll go. Maybe a little bit more than a minute, but I will look on the timestamp on the video, and I will put exactly how long it takes to froth up, and it will slowly fill up. It'll raise up as it froths. If I have it to the maximum fill line, it'll go all the way up to here, I think. In which case it would get this dirty, and it would have to be cleaned. But like I said, I never put that on, whoops, and I never need it. The good thing about this device is that it comes off of the base, and you can just pour it easily into whatever coffee you like. I just made me a pour over coffee right here. While it's frothing it up there, it's also slowly warming it, so you can warm your milk without burning it. It's just very convenient. And I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out. I think I looked on Amazon when we first got here, and I think I found it for like 30 bucks. But then I looked the other day and I didn't see it. So I don't know if it's still on there or not. But there's a link down below if you want to check it out. I use it quite a bit. You can't see it, but you can still hear it turning in there. You know, like I could turn it off right now to be frothy enough, but I'm just going to let it keep on going until it finishes. And there. Hear it buzz, and it's done. I can just take this off, pour it into my hoopty-hoo, and I got plenty of milk in there, and I got plenty of froth on top. To show you how easy it is to clean this. So you just run the water in here, kind of rinse it out, and then I put a little water in there, and then I put it back on the stand and turn it back on, and let the doohickey spin for a second to clean it out a little bit more. Boom, boom, boom. And I will just take this off, and I'll clean it a little bit with some soap. And then I will clean the inside of this out with my little cleaning sponge, and then I'll just throw it back on the rack right here. Because you can't put it in a dishwasher. And it's nice warm milk. Nice little bit of foamy top. Like I said, I'm not crazy about this much foam. I usually put it on the lower foam setting. You know, we go around to these house sits, and if we find something we like, you know, I'll make a video about it. But if you like a little fancy cappuccino-y type latte type coffee thingamabob, we've been using it and we highly recommend it. Or we recommend it. What does highly recommend mean?
We've been enjoying it.
Yeah, it foams your milk. It's not going to save your life.